Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Sahar, founder of Lust Brands, which stands for Love Yourself. And I wanted to make a video for you because one, I haven't made a video in a long time for you guys. And two, I want to talk to you guys about one of our newest products, the Love Yourself Elixir Oil. So I'm going to go back to the beginning. Last year, I met with our head chemist and I said, look, I want to create an oil that's pure, no fragrance, no synthetics, just pure oil, and it can be used from head to toe. So it could be used on hair, on nails, on skin, everything. And my chemists were like, well, it's gonna be kind of tough to do that without a preservative, without any additives, but we worked on it and we did it. So today I'm gonna show you how I've been using the oil on like literally from head to toe. So I put it on my face, I put it on my skin. I've actually stopped using body lotion and face lotion and just using the oil because a little bit goes such a long way. It absorbs, it moisturizes, it locks in moisture. And of course I use it on my hair too. This is day 3 curls for me. So I use it on refresh. I use it to add a little bit more moisture during my refresh days. Or I use it as a scalp massage. So I'm gonna start with the ingredients on this baby. What I'm about to read out to you, these 7 oils are the only things inside this bottle. So avocado oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba seed oil, black cumin seed oil, rosemary oil, gooseberry or amla oil, moringa oil, and vitamin E. That's it. Like that's it. Nothing else inside this oil, no fragrance, no preservatives. So if you're like me and you have super sensitive skin, my skin is really, really sensitive. I break out easy. I get hives, redness, inflammation if I use products that have a lot of fragrance or any kind of synthetics, especially on my face. I'm really, really cautious of what I put on my face. Like I don't do a lot to my face. On a previous trip, I went away. It was a very short trip. It was a long weekend, and with sunblock and aloe vera, I peeled. Like I never peel, and my skin just tore off like a snake. I just shed my skin. So this time around when I went away, I started using the elixir oil right from the beginning. So as soon as I get out of the shower, 1, 2, 3, 4 drops and just rub that all over my face. And it basically extended my tan and prevented any peeling or inflammation or anything else happening to my skin. Then I started applying it all over my body. And I thought because it's a small bottle and I thought I'd have to apply a lot to get the effect that I wanted. And I was shocked, even though I'm the one that created this product, I still surprised myself because on my arm, I apply 1, 2, 3 drops or 4 drops, rub that in. That's enough for my entire arm. Same with my legs. I've been applying it to my hands for my cuticles. I've been applying it to my feet. I'll actually apply it to my feet, put a pair of socks on, sleep with it on. What else? I use it, basically apply a few drops to my fingertips, rub my fingertips together and massage my scalp. I could do this before I get in the shower to shampoo. I apply it to the ends of my hair, lock in moisture, or even throughout my hair to tame frizz. Like you could see sometimes I part my hair down the middle, and by day 3, of course, your hair is gonna get frizzy. A few drops of this oil and just dab it on gently and it tames frizz. So this oil is exactly what it says it is. Repair, moisturize, shine, not just for your hair, but also for your skin, all over from head to toe. It's become one of my new favorites. I don't go anywhere without it, and I hope you guys love it and try it and share all of the new things that you guys have experimented. How does it work for you? Bonus, my husband uses it on his beard. So if you have a man in your life or a son or whoever and they have facial hair, this stuff is amazing because he was kind of worried of the same thing of breaking out because he said when he applies most beard products, because of all the synthetics and oils in it, it actually made his skin break out, and he's been pretty much showering in this, so he steals my products too. So try it, leave comments below. I wanna know how you've used the elixir oil and yeah, different uses you found for it. Share with us, and I hope you love this baby.